everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to talk about vocabulary. Yes, I know it is crucial for you to learn vocabulary, new words, so that you could frame sentences. I know it is not necessary to learn thousands of words, but some basic ones we have to know. Otherwise, how we will frame sentences and convey whatever you want to say to other people, right? Also, I'm making this video so that whatever mistakes I have done, there might be people who are doing the same mistakes and suffering. So I don't want you people to suffer. Because I have the experience and I have tried different methods, this time I have got you some better methods of learning the vocabulary, and so that you will never run out of words and you will remember it in long run. Maybe you will never forget those words that you will learn. See, let's just go back in time when I started learning English. So when I started, I used to write all the words in a notebook, and then I used to write the meanings and this example sentence. This I used to do. But the problem that I faced is that whenever I am trying to frame sentence or I am taking any topic for practicing English, I would never use all those words. So I used to feel that why is this happening? I'm learning the words so that I could use it in the conversation, but when in real life the conversation happens, I never use those words. I researched about it and I got to know that this is the problem, that the words are in my mind but it is not coming out from my mouth because my mind and mouth coordination is weak. Then I have to strengthen it. So what I will do to strengthen my mind and mouth coordination? See, for that you have to practice in context. You have to bring those words into your real life conversations deliberately. What I was doing is that I was learning the words separately. I was doing the conversation, I would never remember those words, and instead of those words I used to use those basic words that I knew from my very beginning, right? So there was no use of learning those words every day, like 10 words I used to learn every day, but it was all waste, I felt at that time. So what is the solution for it? The solution for this is that you have to learn in context. I know you have heard about it enough times, but I'll give you one demo how you will do that, so that it will be so much efficient and helpful for you. For example, you have encountered one word that you want to make use of. What you will do, instead of writing and all, you will just simply try to define it in very, very simple English, very simple English. For example, I will take one word, courage. Now, how I will practice with this word so that I could remember it in long run and actually use it in my conversation is like this. So first I will say about the word, and then in sentence only I will define the word, the meaning of the word, and then I will use it in a sentence in one go, like I'm explaining it to somebody. Courage means being brave. I showed courage when I spoke for the first time in public. I will practice like this. I will take any word and practice in 30 seconds. So in this way, our brain knows that this is the word that this person is using continuously. So when you will go and have a real conversation, your brain will use these words in the conversation itself, right? So this is easy. This makes your brain recall the words and use it instantly. So this is something you have to practice. In this way only you will practice. Write the words, whatever words you want to memorize, whatever words you want in your active vocabulary, you have to practice it like a topic. This is how you will practice, okay? So take 5 words and practice like this. Now one more thing is there. There are people who don't know what words they have to learn to increase their vocabulary, like what words they need. They don't even know that. So for that also I have the solution. For this, what you will do is that take any one topic, like your daily routine, your favorite memory, your favorite day, your birthday, anything, you take it, right? Then what you have to do is that you have to record your video for 1 minute straight. You have to just speak whatever comes in your mind about that topic, related to that topic, and you have to go to Play Store and download any one app which will give you the text form of the video text form of the speech that you are speaking in the video, and then convert it in the form of text. Then copy your text, paste it in another tool which will find out what are the words that you have used maximum number of time. For example, I'm using again and again word happy. Now I will try to find out the alternatives, other words which can be used in the place of happy, like joy or delightful, right? All those words. So I will find out the alternatives, and in that way I will expand my vocabulary. I will make my speech more presentable in this way. So if you don't know which words you have to learn to expand your vocabulary, to increase your vocabulary, you have to do this exercise. Otherwise, if you know what words you want to learn, you are struggling with learning the vocabulary, memorizing it, stick to it, you're forgetting it, then you have to follow that first method. As we have approached towards the end of the video, I have some amazing tips for you. These amazing tips will be very helpful for you because they have come straight from my experience. First thing, if you want to memorize the words and you want it to stay with you forever or longer period of time, then you have to watch the movies, the TV shows or whatever you're watching in English with subtitles. When you hear and see, the impact will be more to your brain, right? Because you are using two senses simultaneously, right? Always learn the words in the context. Whatever has happened in the scene, you have to remember that along with the words. For example, I was watching a TV show and I have encountered one word. For example, the word it is gentle. Okay, so now what I will do is that I will remember why that person has said gentle word. What is the behind the story of it? It is stop translating, stop writing meanings of the words that you're learning in your mother tongue. For example, in my case, I used to do it a lot. I used to write the word and then the meanings in Hindi, my native language, but I stopped doing it and things have become much more easier for learning the language. Just take the word and in the simplest English, take out its meaning, and it is very easy nowadays. You don't have to think about it. You will only search it on Google or ChatGPT or any other tool. You will obviously gonna get the simplest version of the meaning of the word. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Bye.